10, slowly release it. Inhale down, exhale up. 1, pull those arms forward. Forward, thank you. Forward, come on, Alex. 2, what happens on 2? Gracias. 3, 4, 5, 6, breathe. 7, 8, 9, breathe. 10, slowly release it. We have 2 more. Inhale down. Let's go. Exhale up. 1. We're there as a group. 2, lose your arms. Tashanta, don't bring your legs up so high, Mama. 3, 4. They're 4 inches off the ground. Drop them a little lower, Tashanta. 5, 6, breathe. 7. Thank you, Kat. 8. Thank you, Rhonda. 9. 10, slowly release it. Quickly roll over. We're on a plank. We're there. Come on, Rhonda. I hear you. Okay, right stack left. You should be there. Hold for 10. Pull your navel in. Right stack left. Right toe on top of the left heel. Hold 10. 8. Hold 6. Breathe. Drop your hips. 4. Pull your navel in. Rib cage is concave. 2. Left stack. Go. We're not resting. 10. Beautiful, Raphael. 8. Drop your hips, Jazzy. 6. Looking straight ahead. 4. 2. Right stack. Let's go. 10. Thank you, Kat. 8. Navel pulled in. 6. Rib cage is concave. 4. 2. Left stack. This is our last one. 10. 8. What'd you say, Rhonda? 6. 4.